guys, good morning and welcome to another catch up, section 5. So, how have you guys been? How are you doing? It's now New Year. Happy New Year to you guys. So, we have been very busy at the workshop doing some work, and for the past 2-3 weeks, we have been working. And today, I just decided to start the catch up. Normally, the catch up is not supposed to be as we are working all the process. We just come down, maybe all the things we've done for a week, or maybe at the month before we send it out, we just make a video and show you what we've done, talk about this is how we do it, this is what we do, this is what we do, this is what we send as well. It's not as if we may be showing you all the process. Weekly updates, it's showing you all the process, but this one too a little bit we just do that since we stop weekly update for the new time. But weekly update definitely is coming back pretty very soon. So as you can see, let's start from here. As you can see, this black bag at the top here, part of what we make. I think few days ago, it's a clipper bags customized for someone that do home service. So he wants its wireless clipper two inside with other space for the brush, the comb, and the clothes they tie on the neck. I don't know what that is called. If you know the name, leave in the comment section down below. And as you can see, we have another gorgeous Aso-oke with leather backpack here. Not just only that, we have another black one here. There are a lot of things to show you. We have few bags here we are making as well. As you can see, I also have another one on there. We make this one too. As you can see, we make all this one. The tiny bag we start making about, I think, the last catch up. I didn't know if I start this, I'm done with them. As you can see, those are this one, they are all this, because the one we have then is just that one, 1 2 3 4 5, just 5, the one that is here. So I'm done with everything. I think this is about 40 something. The bags are about 40 something. So right now I just want to start working today. There are also some tote bag I make. They are below here. I will be showing you that later. I display them, but I just decided to pack them. Something related to this, we make few of this, something like this. This is just one, the rest I pack them there. So later on I will be showing you, and the other ones we make previously. So guys, enough talking, enough showing you guys my face. Right now, I said the catch up is just to show you what we've been up to at the workshop, but today I'm going to include a little bit of the process because of this one I'm working on right now. We'll just do a time lapse because we don't have much content to give you guys except to show you what we've been making. And you see, most of this bag you are seeing now is either going out today or tomorrow morning, because this backpack, this one here, the black one here, this one, those two bag there, the red and the purple, they are going to Cameroon. So finger crossed, I should be able to finish them today. Those one is just the chain left. All this backpack are done. All this one is just for me to assemble them, fix the lining and assemble. So I'll just show you the process of me making few. Now later on I won't be able to film again because there won't be time for me to film and also do the bag. I would just like to concentrate and do this. So guys, that's just the update so far. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't also forget to comment the post notification bell so that you be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. Share this video with people it might be of help to them. Some people watch this video and enjoying it, they're enjoying the content, and some people just watch this for watching it because they want to see my face and the way I run the business locally here with what I have. So on this part of business, not much that you must have is to just try to use specialized machine before you can do this. The reason why I started this channel mainly is to show you guys that even if you have this black head domestic machine, you can still make great products that when people look, when you tell them you make it with this particular machine, they will be like, nah, you have to use a specific design machine. But the reason why we are here is to just show you guys that you can use what you have to produce what you need before you get what you are supposed. So enough talking, guys. As I said, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell, give this video a giant thumbs up, share with people you know it might be of help to them. And if you need any of this, or you want me to supply, you want me to design your bag anywhere you are, no matter where you are in the world, my WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. From there you can chat with me. Also, the IG page will be here. We have 3 IG pages. We have one for the light bag collection, the one you guys are familiar with. Then we have another one for King Luxury, for our luxury bag. Then we have one for the training school of bag making. So you can follow us all there, and we'll be active very soon. We'll be active and post everything there, so you guys will be updated, because a lot of this thing we do here, a lot you watch on YouTube here, if you go there you discover that a lot of them are not there. So I will just try my best these days to start posting there. So guys, see you at the other side. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you the rest of the week. So now I decide, before I start, let me just show you a few of this, because the one you watch is just like from my back. This one we are working on it, this one as well, and I think I'm also making a video on this, but it might come out before this catch up. Then the tote bag I was talking about, the tiny bag, the hare, if any of you need this. Then this one, the backpack, this one here, probably I should be able to show you more of the inside later on. This one, we have this one here, and for the purse that belongs to this bag, I didn't talk about it. It has, all the bag has each purse. This is the purse. We have some tote bag here, and we have few under beneath it, as you can see. The rest of those that one I show you there, that's the rest there. So probably later on I'm going to just show you, so you guys will be aware of how the process is going. We are also producing some bag for our luxury brand as well, which is the King Luxury. Later on you guys will be seeing it. Then if there's no time for us to do that this month catch up, probably next month you'll be able to see everything. So guys, enough talking, let me show you guys some time lapse and continue the work. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the continuation. So guys, as I've promised, we are done with all the bag. This is this one with purple, the one with pink, and the black one. So they are all looking gorgeous, beautiful as always. They are all very nice. That's the backpack there, and those bag has their own purse. The purse, these are the purse. They look nice. They look very nice. So probably, and this one's too. I think, I don't know if I show you guys this one. I have fixed the chain. I tried to finish up everything because we're supposed to send today, but I don't know. The person that is supposed to come to pick it up has not called me. So when they call, we'll know what to do. But here are the bag. This one's, but I don't think one of these is going. This particular pink, I don't think is going. The black and this purple should be going. They might not want this purple too, but the two backpack are going. So that's just it. And this one I promised to show you guys. let's investigate how the inside look. As you can see, the outside is just plain, nothing much. So once you open the bag, as you can see, I said it's a clipper bag. I made two sides for the two clipper. You just fix it there. Then on this particular side are for your brush, your comb, and any other thing, and that's just it. It's just as simple as that. This is the inside. The two part for the clipper, and this part for your comb and any other accessory. Also, the owner has not come to collect it. I have made this for about 5 days now. This was made on Sunday and today is Friday. So I don't know if the person is around or not. But see here, anytime you come, I'm not going to call. When it comes, you will see we've make his products and available. So guys, that's just it for now. Probably tomorrow I will continue with the rest of the work, the ones we'll be making. Then we'll continue filming from there as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you at the continuation. So guys, just a quick update. I've been very busy for the past few days now doing some work. Even those bag I make last I show you, I have sent them, but I didn't get to. Okay, I think I did a short video of the packaging, so I should be able to put it in this week catch up. So there's this particular bag I'm working on, this particular two, the one, this design here, I'm making two of it, this white and I would say this red. So it's what I'm working on now. Probably I didn't even remember to do this film. I just remember, and that's why I say let me just pick up the camera and just do a little bit of something so that you guys will be aware. So let me just turn the camera and I'll show you a little bit of it. How have you guys been? I just love showing my face. See you guys at the other side. Just it's part by part. As you guys have watched the making on the channel before, it's part by part. I think we have today is the main body. We have 1 part, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts. This one 6, this one 7, 8, and 9. So 9 parts. We are not even talking about the hand or the 2 zipper parts, which is this one here. Then the lining. Well, let me just proceed because it's already getting late now. I'll just try to finish this up as soon as possible. And I think once I finish it, maybe I should just do a little bit of time lapse so we end this particular catch up for this month. So probably if there's anything by next week, we'll continue from there and show you guys a little bit of the work next week. So let me just do it for the doing sake. Also, I have this bag I need to fix for a very good client of mine. So the bag is just one left and this one. The client did not later pick this one and it's what she chose before. So finger crossed, this is the first time we are working for her. Next time she's going to know how things are being done. So I think right now I'm going to put the packaging of those bag for you before you start watching the time lapse, or whichever way it comes. When I'm editing it, probably we'll just do it that way. So guys, let me continue with the work and I will see you at the continuation. So guys, I stopped the time lapse because I need to finish this off camera. So later on I'm going to show you guys, probably today or tomorrow, because it's already dark now. It's already dark. Like this now, I've applied gum to this. If it's dried very well, I'll be able to finish everything one by one. Also the tail already. Every aspect of the bag are ready. It's just for me to start assembling them. Like this one now, I have applied the lining. It's just for me to put that particular side with the zip to these two. Then those side you can see there, the gussets. For the red one, I haven't assembled it, but I'm going to finish everything. So probably tomorrow I will show you guys. So you see you tomorrow. So guys, here is the bag we were making the other day. As you guys can see, it's a little bit different to this one. It's smaller and a little bit bigger than this particular one. So I finished everything, both the rope as well. So right now I want to make a purse, which I will not be showing the full making of this catchup, because probably I say I'm going to end this that night, but there's no time for me. I have to wait again. I think after 3 days, so I'm ending it here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next catchup.